All right, when you're ready to start your project, you're going to come over to the light box. The light box will have on this piece of bubble wrap that looks like this. Please don't pop the bubble wrap, just take it off and move it. It's actually protecting this glass that's underneath, okay? Then you're going to come over to the side of the light box, and you see these buttons over here, okay? There are two white buttons that you're going to push and hold down, and that will turn on the box for you. Okay, and then it's going to get really bright. Okay, then you're going to set your vector stencil on the light box. You're going to take your project paper, you're going to put it on top, and you're going to begin tracing. So it might be kind of hard for you to see like this, but let's try if I turn this one off. Okay, so the light box is actually going to help you see it, but you are going to have to use a ruler. I can see it on mine. It's kind of just hard to see on the video, so you will go through with your ruler on the light box and you will trace your project. Now, making sure that this vector is how you want it to be is super important. So it's really important that you follow the lines exactly, and if you mess up that you erase what you're doing. I've put a lot of time into allowing you guys to be able to trace this stencil. Okay, so once again, really take your time and get it exactly how you need it to be, because if you have to start over because your stencil is not correct, that is a huge bummer. Alright, so each section's kind of almost exactly the same. You just have to do the same thing 4 times. Alright, so you're just going to be transferring this design onto your project paper, and once you have that done today, you're just going to be working in your sketchbook because only 2 people can go at a time, and so it takes a while. Now, I just ask that you guys clean off the light box when you're done so that it stays nice and clean. I know that you might have some pencil erasings, like I'm noticing that I'd messed this up, so I'm going back and fixing it. Okay, Mr. O is going to check this for you before you actually get paint, so if it's sloppy and you have to redo it, I mean, that's what it is, okay? So really take your time and make sure that you're doing it right. When you're done, if you're the last person for the day, you'll click the black buttons on the side to turn the box off, and then you will put the bubble wrap